Lawyers for the former president are seeking new judge the Jan. 6 election interference case. Charges dismissed Georgia. And delays criminal proceedings New York, and a second defamation suit brought by woman who says she was sexually assaulted by Trump. Trump wants the judge to dismiss the January 6 case. Key players: Trump lawyers Todd Blanche and John Lauro. Judge Tanya Chutkan in a lengthy court hearing on Monday. Trump's lawyers asked Chutkan to recuse himself from the federal election interference and obstruction case. Politico reported. While Judge Chutkan may consider giving President Trump a truly fair trial and believes he can do so, his public statements inevitably taint those proceedings. Regardless of the outcome, Trump attorneys Todd Blanche and John Lauro wrote in the filing. Chutkan oversaw most of the Justice Department's cases against those who rioted at the Capitol building on Jan. 6, 2021. At an October hearing for 2 of those found guilty, he said that their rebellion was not the Constitution, but blind loyalty to man who, by the way, remains free this day. The Independent reported that in response the motion to dismiss, Chutkan gave prosecutors in the case until Thursday file their response. Why it matters: the Supreme Court unanimously ruled in 1994 that, only in the most rare cases, may a judge be forced to use the term again. Chutkan will have to decide whether to step aside. And most experts agree that's not possible. Trump asks judge in Georgia to dismiss state charges against him. Key players: Judge Scott McAfee, former Trump Rudy Giuliani, pro-Trump lawyer Kenneth Chesebro, former Trump campaign Ray Smith. Following lead of Giuliani, Chesebro and Smith, Trump lawyers filed a motion on Monday asking McAfee to throw out the Georgia indictment against him due to flaws in case. CNN reported. Trump is charged with 13 felonies, including violations of the state's RICO Act, stemming from his efforts to overturn his 2020 election loss in Georgia. Such moves are common before criminal cases begin, but are rarely successful. Why it matters: each of 19 co-defendants is pursuing his own defense against the charges against them, and a trial victory for one of them will likely face similar challenges from others. New York hush money case: judge in New York signals willingness to reschedule hush money civil lawsuit hearing. Key players: Judge Juan Merchan, Trump lawyer Todd Blanche. Although Merchan rejected a May motion by Trump's lawyers recuse himself from a financial and hush money lawsuit against the former president, ABC News reported Monday that Trump would seek to move the trial's start date due possible scheduling conflicts with his other cases. The New York Supreme Court rejected Blanche's call to remove Merchan from the case, alleging prejudicial bias against the former president. Why it matters: Trump's strategy in the 4 criminal cases in which he is charged is to push them beyond the November 2024 P.